This is the Venturi camper van and I'm so excited to share with you all the features nga naa sulod ani. This is powered by the 2.4 liter engine sa all-new Toyota Tamaraw. Let's go inside. First off, tanawa unsa ka luxurious ang details ani. And syempre we have compartments dire. And syempre the comfort room. May basin and naa na dire ang toilet. Napay shower. Mao ni ang driver seat. This is actually the bed that can fit good for two. Table nga collapsible. This can actually turn into bed pag yun. And here we have compartments. We have the air condition. Naapay microwave diri bay. Pwede kita makaluto. Nay hugasanan, kusog kayang power. May mga condiments and trays. And another compartment as I fully equipped nga refrigerator. And this is also equipped with a lithium battery to power the equipments nga naa dire. And you can charge it through a usual 220 volts socket, or it can charge through the alternator while driving. And this is also installed with a solar panel. This is custom made by Nuts RV Philippines. Go check their socials if you're interested about this.